Nick Rutter for the McKee's 37 Trademark Garage. My good friend and partner, Wayne Carini.
Good to be here, Nick.
Always a pleasure.
Thank you. So we're talking about some leather care products today. Tell me more about it.
Well, this is the Daily Driver Leather Care Kit, Wayne.
Leather can get so dirty so easily. You know, contaminants get in, then you grind it into the leather. This is giving us an opportunity to really get it clean.
Yeah, deep clean it, and also it's protecting your investment. For most new cars, leather is the single most expensive option, so you really need to upkeep it. That way you're not spending thousands of dollars later down the road. But like at F40 Motorsports, you might get an older vehicle that the leather needs some TLC. Well, this is going to restore that soft, supple feeling, and most importantly, that new car smell that we all love. So with our Daily Driver Leather Care Kit, it's all inclusive. It contains our leather shampoo, which deep cleans and exfoliates any grime in the seats.
So we have a brush here that we can actually deep clean.
Yeah, you use that and then you agitate the leather shampoo and it creates a rich lather that extracts the dirt from the leather without taking out the natural conditioners. We have an interior detailer for your LCD screen, for your wood trim, and then the leather guard locks it in. You squirt some on, you spread it out, dries to the touch, and leaves the leather fit with a nice satin, silky smooth feeling.
At F40 Motorsports, we use exclusively McKee's 37. You should too.
From the novice to the enthusiast, the professional, and everything in between, we've got you covered.